Hello, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech with another fun episode. Hey, listen, I love to talk about tech and fun stuff. And this weekend, Disney had an extraordinary event. And I'm going to get into that right now. What I'm talking about is simply this. If you saw any of my other previous videos, you saw the one about the Jungle Adventure, Jungle Cruise, where some time ago the boat started sinking and eventually sunk under the water. Well, this weekend, on Splash Mountain on Sunday, they had a malfunction on the ride, and one of the log flumes banged into the back of another, and its nose cone was stuck underneath the ride, and it began to fill with water. Now, what's really bad, of course, is that the Disney employee told them to stay in the boat. Well, when you're getting wet and the boat is getting filled with water, your natural move is to get out of the boat. And they did. And they went up on the ramp and get out of the boat. And within a few minutes, you can see it went totally submerged. One visitor said, "If I would have stayed in the boat, I would have drowned. What, are you crazy?" It was all over Twitter on Sunday. The Splash Mountain was due for a total redo, but because of the pandemic and because of financial woes, they haven't done it. So let me get on to some other interesting news at Disney. So also, two rides that have gone into the deep forest are gone for good is Stitch's Great Escape, in which guests are allowed to take a ride based on the movie of Stitch, where Stitch is in his detention center and he escapes to Earth, which is based on the movie. Another one that disappeared that was supposed to be seasonal was Primeval Whirl in Dinoland, in which guests were allowed to take a ride and watch as dinosaurs prepare for their extinction. I never got to see either one of them, and but they'll be missed for those guests who did like to wear them. Or watch them, I should say. Listen, I'm going to have one more thought. All in all, Disney's had a tough year. And like I've said in other broadcasts, I love Disney. As you can see, we've had some pictures of myself, my wife, and my daughter. And I have other pictures with the rest of the family being there last year. That was in 2019. And we had a great time. But unfortunately now with COVID-19 and restrictions and limited park access and a lot of their parks being closed, they have taken a major financial hit. From what I'm reading here online, they normally would have predicted a $4.6 billion profit, and they're expecting a $2 billion loss. They've actually had to take out a line of credit, and a lot of the projects, their construction projects, have been put on hold right now while the pandemic is finishing up. But like you, I can't wait to get back to Disney. I can't wait to get back with the family and the rides and all the Disney experience. But right now, Disney is lost a little of its magic because of the COVID-19. Listen, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And please hit that little bell thing if you can remember to. So the next time I've got a little news, you can find out about it. And listen, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech out.